Hey, this is Ross from ProTac Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're down in Tampa in Town and Country, and we are going to start a flat two-car garage. So the homeowners ultimately are going to use this for a gym. So it's a pretty straightforward job. We do have some cleanups to do. And once we get this cure and seal off, we'll really see what's going on with the floor. Some minor repairs. But once we get this off, we'll see really what's going on. The leaded edge is in pretty good shape, but we're just going to clean it up and round it over. So we're all set up. So let's get started. Okay, just a quick segment to show our progress. So we got the grind done. Floor looks great. Underneath was in pretty good shape, not too much going on. It was just the things that we basically knew about over here, those divots, just some cracks that we filled. But what we did over here is a little bit unique. We talked about over with the homeowner, the threshold. They're replacing this door regardless. So we took the threshold out and now they'll have the floor there. So however they replace this door, it'll be perfect. It'll just sit right on top of their epoxy floor. And you can see where we cleaned up that lead-in edge quite a bit. That looks really good. So now we're ready to put the floor in. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up. This is our two-car flat. Job looks great. This is a full grind, some repairs. We did clean up the lead-in edge. Here's some details around the hot water heater. Here's where we remove the threshold from the exterior door. This color is Nightfall. Here's where we rounded over. Did some small repairs along the lead-in edge. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTac Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTac serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.